A few days ago, I made a mistake regarding our checkout section. Now the site does not let you check out or enter any payment information. Please advise me on how to reestablish this part of the website. Okay, so let's take a look here at the website. I'm going to go ahead and order something. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the checkout page and I'm going to press checkout, see what happens. So when I press checkout, it doesn't go to the checkout. So based on this email, it looks like the checkout page is either missing or has the wrong checkout page. So let's go to the back end and do some troubleshooting. First thing I usually look at is I go to Clover Orders on the left-hand side, press Settings. Once you press Settings, press Store Settings. And then go to Checkout Settings. Go to Store Pages right here. So we have Store Page, which is the Order Online page. We have the Checkout page, which says Cart. Cart page says Cart. Account page says My Orders. These are all correct except for this one. This one should say Checkout. And looks like, based on this email again, looks like they may have accidentally deleted the checkout page. So let's go ahead and see if we can find the checkout page. We can go to Pages, All Pages, right here. And so we have no title, cart, My Orders, Order Online. Let's see if the checkout page was put in the trash. That's the first thing I usually do. I go to the trash folder and I look in the trash folder. I don't see a checkout page here. So looks like it may have been permanently deleted. So let's go back to All Pages. And let's find a page that closely resembles the checkout page, which I would say is the cart page. Let's go to the cart page. And let's take a look at this. So this is the cart page. This is this page right here. Okay. So let's go ahead and clone this page. I'm going to say Save to Library, this button here. So I'm going to go ahead and press this button. I'm just going to say Checkout or Checkout Cart. You can give it any name you like. Again, what I'm doing is I'm taking this page and I'm going to turn it into a checkout. The reason why I'm doing that is because that way I don't have to make this whole page all over again, okay? So let this section load here. Let me see what else. So they have the Order Online, My Orders, and it looks like this checkout page is missing. Let me do that. Even though it's cart, I'm just saving it as checkout. Okay, I save it to my library, and then I'm going to go to Pages, and I see there's a few pages that was created, but it has no title. So let's go ahead, press Edit here, and let's do Load Layout. And I'm also going to call this Checkout too. And I'm going to go to Your Saved Layouts because I had made a I had saved my layout from a few seconds ago. I'm going to go ahead and choose this option, okay? So you want to choose the option that you saved. And by the way, if you guys don't see a Your Saved Layouts, you can still use your existing pages. So the closest one to the checkout is Cart. So choose this one, okay? I did, in my case, since I already saved it, I will just choose the one I saved. But if you did not save it, you can come here if you have this option and choose Cart or something close to it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead, choose from my saved layouts. I'm going to choose Checkout Layout, which is probably the same thing as this one too, but I'll go ahead and choose this one. Now wait till it loads. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a name. It loaded. Basically this is a duplicate of the cart page, but I'm going to give it a different name. I'm going to call it Checkout. And then once I give that name a checkout, I'm going to go ahead and also change this part here to something else. So I have checkout, and then I'm gonna press edit right here, because this does not look like a checkout page. It has I'm gonna press edit, and I'm gonna change this also to the same name. That way the link is more recognizable rather than saying 111-2. Okay, when I press the edit button, as you can see now, I can change this to something else. I'm gonna type in the word checkout. Once you save the name with a similar name as the title page, just press OK right here, okay? And then once you press OK, the next thing you want to do is you want to go here. See where it says text right here? Right below full header, you'll see the 3 lines right here. You want to go ahead and press this button. Once you press the 3 lines, you'll see the body section, and you'll see a text in there, cart. The reason why it says cart, as you may recall, we duplicated or cloned the cart page. So this is actually where it shows the cart, but we're going to change this because we want this to be the checkout page. This is called a shortcode. A shortcode is what displays the menu of the order online. So this shortcode shows the cart page, but we don't want it to show the cart page on the checkout page. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our mouse over the cart word, and then we're going to edit this cart word to say checkout. Once you've wrote out the word checkout here, see I replaced the word cart with checkout, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press save and exit. Once you press save and exit, you'll press publish right here, okay? Okay, once you press publish, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the Clover order section here after you have pressed publish. Once you've published the page or updated the page or saved the page, you go back to Clover orders, settings, and then you go back to store settings. As you may recall, store settings is where the store pages are located. So go ahead, press store settings right here, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Now you should see a page called checkout. See, remember the page I just created, which was accidentally deleted. I just recreated that. And then just press save changes right here, just like that. And once you've done that, you want to make sure to test it to make sure you've done it right. So how do you test it? You go to the, you go back to your order online page. You refresh the page. So once you refresh it, let it refresh. Give it a few seconds to update the changes that you just made. And then now try doing checkout. See what happens. And if this works, that means you've done it correctly. If it doesn't work, you can just rewind the video and do what I just did. Again, see now, oh, forgot about this part. It still says cart. So we have to do that as well. Okay, so let's go one step back. We're gonna go back to all pages. And then we're gonna go and change that word so it does not say cart, it says checkout. Because as you may recall, remember I duplicated this page. When you duplicate it, it'll have the same message as the cart page. So right now I have full width header, I have text. I changed this part, as you can see. See, I changed this part to show the checkout page, which is the short code, but I forgot to change this part so it does not say cart. So we want to go ahead and tell the system, don't say cart, say checkout. So I'm going to press full width header and then change this word right here to say checkout. I mean, you can use any word you like, but this is typically the best name for it. I'm going to press save and exit, and I'm going to press update right here, update. Once you press update, give it a few seconds to fully update itself, and then refresh this page which you just changed, and then now it should say checkout. There you go. So we have order online, check out my orders cart, and that's how you fix a mistake that you may have accidentally made. All right, we have other videos as well. And by the way, if you were wondering how did I get that short code, just go to docs.zaytech docs.zatech.com. Right here, docs.zatech.com, and then type in short code, and you can see the different short codes that's used for the order online page. Okay, so we have store, cart, checkout. Remember, this is the one that I used. Checkout is this is all items. Let me see what else I have here. I'll have to add this one. Looks like that one is not here. Okay, so by the time you see this page, you'll see an option for checkout as well, because this one has all items, it has categories, it has my orders, it has the search, but it does not have the checkout. So I will add the checkout. It's basically this word replacing this word, right? So it's MOO_checkout. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day.